Kitchen equipment is a significant investment, and at Marmon Link, we want to help you make the absolute most of those investments so you can continue to delight your customers. At Marmon Link, we are your comprehensive after-sales support team for all the Marmon Food Service Technologies brands: Cornelius, Prince Castle, Silver King, and Angelo Poe. No matter where your equipment is in its life cycle, our technical support team can help maximize your equipment uptime and minimize interruptions to your business. If we can't solve an issue over the phone, we can send a technician for warranty service. We connect your equipment purchase to performance with availability, accuracy, speed, and reliability. Register your equipment today. It only takes 3 minutes. Simply fill in your equipment serial number and a few contact details, and we'll give you special access to periodic preventative maintenance tips and parts and accessories to help extend the life of your equipment. Marmon Link, always supporting you in new and innovative ways.